Amid the suspense over Mahayuti's chief minister pick, BJP announces oath-taking date. The much-anticipated swearing-in ceremony of Maharashtra's next chief minister will take place on 5th of December at Mumbai's Azad Maidan. BJP top brass, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, will attend the oath-taking ceremony. However, chief minister name has not yet been announced. BJP has been hinting at Devendra Fadnavis as the next chief minister of Maharashtra. Amid this, Ajit Pawar said it has been decided that the chief minister will be from the Saffron clan and two deputy chief ministers will be from NCP and Shinde Sena. As the tug-of-war for chief minister chair continues, Eknath Shinde loyalists claim Eknath Shinde is unhappy with BJP's decision. Shiv Sena is also adamant on its home ministry demand. Meanwhile, Eknath Shinde is unwell and is undergoing treatment at his Satara residence.
आता माननीय मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथजी शिंदे साहेब यांना व्हायरल मध्ये ताप येतोय, सर्दी आहे, थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन आहे आणि फीवर आहे. तर त्यांना आता मी ट्रीटमेंट चालू ठेवलेली आहे. आता सलाईन वगैरे लावलेलं आहे, IV लावलेलं आहे आणि त्यांना 1-2 दिवसात बरं वाटेल ही खात्री आहे मला.
महायुति सरकार का शपथ ग्रहण समारोह माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी जी के उपस्थिति में मुंबई के आजाद मैदान पर 5 दिसंबर 2024 को 5 बजे होगा.
देखिए, हमें जो जानकारी मिली है, मंडे के दिन भाजपा का गठनेता चुनाव प्रक्रिया पूरी हो जाएगी और 1-2 दिन बीच में का गैप देके 5 तारीख को शपथ होने की संभावना है. शिंदे साहब जो गांव गए, पक्ष के एक प्रमुख है. कुछ बातें ये सरकार स्थापन करते को सोचना पड़ती है. किसको स्थान देना है, कौन से डिपार्टमेंट लेना है, क्या मांग करनी है. सरकार हमारी बनने जा रही है. मैक्सिमम 5 तारीख को सरकार बनेगी और ये सरकार अच्छी तरह से रन भी करेगी.
Dipesh Tripathi is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Dipesh, Eknath Shinde's return to Satara has stalled Mahayuti talks on the Chief Minister face. Help us understand where the deadlock lies and where the talks stand at the current moment.
Right now, the answer which we all are waiting for, that when the government of Maharashtra, new government of Maharashtra will be formed, and that is on 5th of December. But right now, Eknath Shinde is a little bit unhappy with the current situation which is going on in the Maharashtra politics, because he was aiming for an CM post, but that was not his cup of tea right now because of the seats he won and the seats won by BJP. BJP is the biggest single largest party in the state right now. So the CM of the BJP will going to be take oath in Maharashtra. That is for sure right now. And the most important thing, Eknath Shinde is also demanding that if he is not given the CM portfolio, then he must be given the home department, which is also BJP is not agree with, because from 2014 the home department was with BJP when Devendra Fadnavis was CM of Maharashtra in 2014 till 2019. He was the home minister as well. He was having the home department, and in 2019 when Mahayuti came into force again into 1920, then once again Devendra Fadnavis kept the home department. So right now BJP is not in a mood of giving the home department as well to the CM Eknath Shinde, and CM Eknath Shinde is right now unhappy with the current situation, as we told as we speak. We have to see that what exactly and how before the 5th December BJP will try to manage to make Eknath Shinde.
Well, there seems to be some connectivity issues with Dipesh, but that's the latest we're getting.